Hey there, folks. We've got some interesting news about the automotive world, particularly involving Chinese electric cars. So, buckle up and let's dive into it. Lately, there's been a lot of buzz about BYD, a Chinese electric car manufacturer, eyeing a new factory in Mexico. They've been churning out more battery electric cars than even Tesla did in the last quarter, making them the top dog in the EV world. Suddenly, everyone's raising eyebrows about the potential impact of Chinese electric cars, and it's causing quite a stir. Now, here's the plot twist: cars made in Mexico can waltz into the U.S. without any tariffs, thanks to the U.S.-Mexico-Canada agreement. The Alliance of American Manufacturers is a bit on edge, calling the influx of affordable Chinese electric cars a potential extinction-level event for U.S. automakers. But fear not. The Biden administration has a clever Plan B to keep Chinese cars at bay without breaking any international trade agreements. They're thinking of tagging Chinese cars as a security threat, giving them the green light to put up a roadblock on national security grounds. President Biden is all about making sure American automakers stay on top in terms of quality and innovation. As of February 29, 2024, the Biden team fired the first shot in their protectionist scheme, expressing concerns about the national security risks associated with connected vehicles, especially those from countries like China. The Department of Commerce is on a mission to investigate these risks and might cook up some regulations to address them. Cars these days are practically computers on wheels, right? The concern here is that if these connected autos use technology from countries of concern, like China, there might be some national security risks. The Department of Commerce is taking the first steps by asking for public input and industry insights to figure out the best way forward. They're keen on protecting national security without causing any unintended disruptions. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the potential information vacuum by Chinese cars. Are they going to spy on us and share info with Xi Jinping? It sounds a bit far-fetched. But better safe than sorry, right? The Chinese government is urging the U.S. to ease up a bit, stressing fair competition and an open business environment. Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo has some serious concerns about connected cars, likening them to smartphones on wheels. She's worried about the data they collect and the potential cyber risks they pose. Imagine if someone could remotely disable thousands of connected cars on American roads. That's a scary thought. But let's not forget, there's a bit of a yellow peril vibe going on here. While we're all for addressing cybersecurity concerns, let's not jump to conclusions and demonize China. Maybe we should focus on securing all internet-connected devices instead of pointing fingers. And there you have it, the friendly scoop on what's happening in the world of U.S. China electric car dynamics. Stay tuned for more updates. And remember, unity and understanding make for a healthier economic system.